Ever wondered how versatile propane can be for camping? Traditionally, we think of propane as just a fuel source for cooking up our favorite campfire meals, but it's much more than that. In fact, it's a camping game changer. From outdoor grills to RV stoves and ovens, propane extends its utility far beyond the culinary realm. It becomes an essential lifeline in off-the-grid locations where shore power is unavailable, powering RV refrigeration and water heating during boondocking. But the versatility of propane isn't confined to the kitchen. It also serves as a heating source for tents and RVs in colder climates. In this exploration of camping propane, we delve into various innovative applications of this efficient and versatile fuel. First, let's start with the basics. Propane is a cost-effective and versatile fuel for camping activities and equipment. But how do you know when your propane tank is almost empty? There are 3 simple methods to determine if your propane tank needs a refill. Next, find propane refueling locations near your camping site to ensure your gear is always ready. Did you know Costco offers cost-effective propane refilling services for RV tanks? Now let's move on to gear. From stoves to lanterns, propane-powered equipment can greatly enhance your camping experience. And when it comes to cooking, propane fuel allows you to indulge in scrumptious camp stove recipes. But what size propane tank do you need? The answer depends on your specific camping needs. And while we're on the subject of tanks, is it safe to refill 1-pound propane bottles? Yes, it is, if done correctly. Propane isn't just for cooking and heating. It can also be used to power bug repellent devices, generators, and even lights. You can even use it to start campfires or power Dutch oven accessories. Lastly, if you're planning a road trip, be aware of propane-restricted tunnels, and remember, when it's time to pack up and go, there are correct procedures for safely emptying propane tanks. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner, the versatility and efficiency of propane can take your camping experience to the next level. From cooking and heating to lighting and bug control, propane truly is a camper's best friend.